In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix Telegram connecting problem. So Telegram connecting problem, you can just see the app writing connecting, but you cannot send or receive messages. So in this guide, I'll show you how to fix this problem. The first step, make sure you have data on your phone. So you can try to turn on airplane mode and then turn it off so that you can restart your network. Then if you have data on your phone and you have turned on airplane mode and turn it off, but still it is writing connecting, then try to connect through a VPN. A VPN can allow you to bypass, because ISP may have blocked the Telegram on your location. For example, on my location, Telegram have been blocked, so you cannot access it without using a virtual private network. If you don't want to use a VPN, then you can use a proxy to connect through Telegram. It just works similar to a VPN. You just need to connect through a proxy and it just works fine. I'll leave the link in the description for this channel, which contains several proxy which you can connect to. Another step you can try is clear Telegram app cache. You can just go to storage settings and clear cache. Click data and storage, then storage settings, then press clear cache. And another step, uninstall and reinstall the app. Or you can also restart your phone by turning it on and off. But the method which works very correctly is connecting through a VPN. If you don't want to use a VPN, you can connect through a proxy, which I leave the channel link in the description. This channel can allow you to connect through a proxy which can help you connect and solve this problem.